Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to Peacock TV account. To log into Peacock TV, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in peacocktv.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Peacock. Go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. After clicking on the sign in button, you will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Peacock account. Type in your email address in the text box and click on the continue button. On the next field, it will prompt you to enter your password. If you don't remember your password for your Peacock account, click on I don't know my password and follow through the instructions. If you remember your password, type it down in the text box and click on sign in. And soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Peacock account. Select your profile from the first menu and you will be signed in to your home page. That is how you can easily sign into Peacock TV in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.